Hi everyone, if you're watching me for the first time, make sure you subscribe to my channel and follow me across all social media channels. Now in this video, I'm going to discuss about arcs. Now when I see beginners generally just create the arcs or keep the arcs when they are doing the poses, and they only think that arcs are meant to be in poses and nothing else. So for them and for everybody else who is watching this video, it's important to understand that you don't need to actually put the arcs only in the body poses, but you also need to make sure that the transitions which are happening in your shot, that also should be in a particular arc, in a particular form, and so that you can actually see the smoothness, the way the hands, the head, everything is moving. And for that, I'm just taking an example of a film, Raya and the Last Dragon. So in this film, I have just come up with some few shots which I will be sharing frame by frame. And you can check now, this is to understand the arcs of the head. Now, generally, we put the arcs in our body, and in the head, we only animate the head in the rotation form. We don't actually move the head. That's why when we rotate it and the center is here, so it's hard to track your head movement. Why? Because the controller is here itself. No matter how you move, then the motion trial is not going to be seen correctly. So what do we do is, there are few things you need to do to actually see the arcs, and generally we track our nose for that. Now if you see here, check my cursor. My cursor is here on the nose. Now this is a very small shot, but if you see the nose, just track the nose. Here, here, this. If you actually see the nose, it is actually moving in a particular arc. It came from here, here, now it's going sideways. Now it's here. Now it's going down. See the arc going up and again up. Again it's completing the arc. See, arc, arc, arc. Again the nose is here. Now she is coming down, and then from here again it's a form of an arc. So did you see how the head got tracked properly in a particular arc? And this is what beginners actually don't do it. Now see the arcs here. If I'm tracking the nose here, it's going up, up, and then again sideways, and then see. So it went from like this and like this up. If I can annotate that, it would be more of like this and then this. So again, it's an arc, right? It's not, generally what beginners make a mistake is they do the arc like this. They put it here and they put it here. This is the wrong way of doing. This is the actual correct way of animating your head. It should be in a particular arc, either this or this or this, lot many different arcs. Again, if you see here, if I track the nose here, see this head coming down here sideways again. See, came down and went up again. So it mostly took this arc like this. So you also need to do the same thing. Now if I track the nose here, down again, down, see, it came down, it came here sideways, and then again it's going up. So if I have to track this, it was more of like this, this. Now this arc can be small, it can be this much, but it has to be an arc. It has to be an arc. You cannot just have a random movement like this and this. That won't benefit you when you are actually seeing the animation. Now check here. This is again a good shot. If I track the nose here, here, it's going back. It's going sideways now. And then it came in here. And then again, changing the direction, but in an arc. Here, sideways a little bit, then again here. Again, it went up a little bit. See, down. Generally, what beginners do is they stop it. When they take it down, they just stop there. It's not like that. You have to bring it like this when the head is actually coming ahead. Again, see this. Again, the arc. Here, here, here. And then from down again, she went out of the screen. And if you see the flow, the way she took, see, now she is actually taking the lead. Now the actual arc is also in the way she is getting up. Again, the actual movement. If you see the head, now this. At the same place where the head was, now they are having the hands. This. So always, whenever you are animating the shot, make sure that all your actions are properly flowing into a particular arc. It's not only about the poses, which has to be in arcs, but it's also about the movements, the transitions happening around the action, the performance, everything has to be in arcs. I hope you liked this video. If you want more such videos, type more in the comment section, and I will surely be creating a lot more videos and talking about a lot more films so that you can get the best benefit, the best feedback about how you need to actually look into the animation which you are doing so that you can have a better observation and you can grow in your animation career. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video.